Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a corrective exercise program for lordosis and lower back pain, which usually goes along with lordosis. So I have my client here. What we're going to do right off the bat is we're going to do a quadricep myofascial release for the to help release the overused muscles. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to be on the floor. Both your quads are going to be on the foam roller. You're going to have your arms out like this, make sure your core is nice and tight during the whole entire time. And you're going to slowly roll forward and back until you find the place with the most resistance, and you're going to hold that for 30 seconds. Make sure you're keeping your core nice and tight. By the way, I'm going to touch you throughout this. And you should be feeling it in your quads. Just roll back and forward until you can find the point that hurts the most. Found it? Okay, good. Good. Usually you'd hold that for 30 to 90 seconds, but in the interest of time, we're just going to hold it for about 15, so that's good. You can get up. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to do a lat foam roller stretch or foam roller myofascial release. So what you can do is you stand up like this, have your arms straight up ahead of you, and you're going to again move back and forth until you find the pressure on your lat, and really make sure you're putting the pressure just on your lat. Yeah, we're just going to hold that in for about 15 seconds. We're going to do that both sides. So yeah, arms straight out of height here. Have your hand facing the same direction as your face. And just move back and forth until you can find it. Can you feel it?
Yep.
Alright, that's good. We can try the other side now. Well, you should be feeling it right across there on your other side, of course. Feel it?
Yeah.
Good. And again, we're just doing that for 15 seconds. Normally it's 30 to 90 seconds, 30 seconds being the max pain threshold, 90 seconds being the minimum pain threshold. And next we're going to stretch out the adductors. So what you're going to do, you're going to go over top the foam roller like this, and you're going to put your groin area nice and close into the foam roller. Then you're going to push down again, slide it back and forth until you find the area with the most resistance. Push down with your body so you can try and find it if you need to. It should be feeling it right in your inner thigh.
Okay, yeah.
That's good. And I'll just do the next side as well. That's good. Again, normally 30 to 90 seconds. Now just doing 15, and you can do this daily. So next what we're going to do is we're going to do some lengthening techniques. So what I'm going to have to do right off the bat is it's going to be latissimus dorsi ball stretch. So what you're going to do is have your arms straight out ahead of you. And you can just put your hand across your stomach or chest region, and you're just going to stretch down into the ball. You should feel it falling right on your lap. Make sure your abs are nice and contracted while you're doing it. Just for as long as it's good. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
You should feel it right there.
Oh yeah.
So we just did that for 10 seconds. We normally do that for 20 to 30 seconds, and you can do it for 1 to 2 reps daily as well. So next we're going to do an erectus spinae stretch. So what we're going to do is sit down like this, take one leg, cross over the other, take the opposite arm, cross it over your leg, and then you're just going to twist back like that. You're going to hold it up. Take your opposite arm over your knee. Press, and just twist your body to the left. There you go. Make sure you feel that stretch right in the back area. Okay, that's good. Slide. Make sure you're standing in good posture. That's well. Good. So next we're going to do a hip flexor stretch. So what we do is going to be in a lunging position like so. You're going to take the hand that's on the same side as the leg. Put your hand kind of hang like that. Other hand go straight up. And you tilt to the side and look up. And you should feel it stretching right in the groin area, right in the hip flexors. Which way? So yeah, you're looking this way. Watch, make sure your knees still at 90-degree angle. Knee at 90-degree angle. Make sure you're looking up too. Good? Yeah. It's good. Switch. That's good. So again, we're just doing that for 10 seconds, normally 20 to 30 seconds with 1 to 2 reps. Alright, so next we're going to do some strengthening techniques to make sure the overactive or underactive muscles become stronger. So what we're going to do first is a ball crunch to work the intrinsic core stabilizing muscles. So what you do is you're going to sit down on the ball, make sure you're trying to get a 90-degree angle, and then just crunch up, make sure your hands are behind your head. Yeah. Make sure your core is nice and tight the whole entire time. Make sure you feel that red when you're doing it. Just have to do a couple reps. So yeah, for that we just did 5 repetitions. Normally you can do 10 to 15, and it's going to be 4 seconds on the way down for the eccentric contraction, 2 seconds in isometric contraction, and 2 seconds for concentric contraction. So next we're going to do a ball bridge to work the hamstrings and the gluteus maximus. What you're going to do, have your hands on your hips, and you're just going to all the way up, make sure your core is nice and tight. Whether it's 4 seconds down, 2 up, and then 2 at the top. That should be feeling it right in there. So down, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 1, 2, 1, 2, down. Up, 1, 2, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 1, 2, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 1, 2, 1, 2, and that's good. So again, just a couple repetitions, normally do 10 to 15. For the next one, we're going to do a dynamic integration to get all the muscles working together. So what we're going to do is a ball to overhead squat press. And that we do, you're going to take the ball and put it against the wall, have it about mid-air of your back, Have the weights with palms facing yourself. Full bicep curl position. Then you're going to make sure you're a little bit far out from the ball. Squat down, nice 90 degrees, and then on the way up, you're going to press up. Down, nice and slow and controlled the whole entire time. And up. Alright, I'll help you close the ball. Make sure you stand a little bit from the nice shoulder apart, contracting the core, chest up, good posture, and make sure it's straight with the chest is up, so you pull back your shoulders. There you go, and down. Nice and slow and controlled, and now on the way up to your chest. Down. Up. One more. Down. And up. Awesome. Alright, and that you can do every 3 to 5 days per week, and it's again 10 to 15, but nice and slow and controlled. And that's all we got for you.